Yeah, hi everyone, my name is Ilya. I am a certified Google Workspace engineer here in Cloudfresh, and today I'm gonna show you how to improve your environment configuration in Gmail, how to enhance your productivity in Google core services like Gmail, Calendar, Drive, or any other services from Google. Yeah, and today we're going to focus on the Gmail, and I will show you how to make some advanced configuration to improve your productivity and speed up your work. So let's start. And first thing that we see by default in Gmail, that our inbox, let's check this out, is default. Yeah, and by default it's just the primary, it's everything. Doesn't matter if it's read or not read emails, and we can change this. So we can change this configuration here on the configuration button. If we click it, click on see all settings, we are going to see in inbox type which type of inbox we can configure. Yeah, it could be important first, unread first, start first. It could be some priority inboxes, or it could be a few inboxes in the same time. I want to see unread first. Yeah, save changes, and we can see all unread emails when we are going into our Gmail. So that's how it looks like. And also, to increase your productivity, to do a few things in the same time, we could also configure a reading panes. So we can split our environment in Gmail, and for example right of inbox, and I can see on the left side a list of our emails. I can click on something, and on the right side I'm gonna see the content of this email. So I can move in chats, in emails, yeah, and it will be saved. So if I need to turn this off to see the list of our emails, or to see the whole size of our email content, I could just click on toggle split pane mode, yeah, and it will be turned on or off. So very easy feature and very useful for the customers. So the next one thing, the most important problem is sorting, I guess, yeah, in Gmail. So we need to understand how to properly sort and quickly sort our emails, and we have two most powerful options here. First one is labeling, and the second one using these labels when creating an automations or some filtering in Gmail. So let's see how to do this. For example, let's find out what can we use here. It could be, for example, Quora Digest. Yeah, let's check if it's the same emails, yeah, in the all lists. Yeah, here, English personalized digest at quora.com. So we have emails from the same sender, and we want to stack it under one label. Let's click create a new label. Let's name it Quora, for example. Create, click on the Quora, copy the email address, or you can just type it. And next one, we can find all of these emails from Quora. Click in the search bar on show search options, paste your email you want to search here, click on search, and you see the list of all emails from this email address. Let's get back to configuration, and we can create a filter based on this search. So click on create a filter. We can skip the inbox and we will only see the emails under the label, not in inbox, but never mind, let's do a default configuration for this option. We are going to apply this label Quora to our emails from English personalized digest at Quora.com. So next one, we applied the needed label. We can apply this filter to all matching conversations, so all the previous email also will be shown here under the label. So apply this setting and create the filter. So in inbox we see all our unread emails, and under the Quora we can see all the Quora emails. And let's do one more thing, one more example. Let's do Medium, for example. Copy the email, create a new label, Medium, yeah, and now we can see all the Medium emails in our inbox. Let's create a filter from Medium, yeah, create a filter, apply the label, Medium, same configuration, and skip the inbox. Yeah, create a filter. And now we don't see these emails from Medium in our inbox, we can only see them here in our label list. So that's how it looks like. And this feature is pretty important for sorting and filtering your emails. Also, let's find out how to have a multiple inboxes. So see all settings, inboxes, and in inbox type we can select multiple inboxes. And here we have a few options. So the first one will be drafts, and the second one will be, for example, unread. And yeah, that's all. Unread. Change the sections for your multiple inboxes. Save the changes. And you see you have a few multiple inboxes here. In drafts we can turn this off. Default, for example. If we are going to press default, we're gonna turn off all our settings, or we can do important first, or whatever you want. So in drafts we can create some draft, compose to test, something like that, test, draft. Close this, yeah, update, and we see all our drafts are here. It could be used for notes or for whatever you want. If you are working with multiple emails in the same time, it could be useful for you. So let's turn the things back, default. Yeah, here's our list, our labels still here, and this is the first step to increase your work performance. And the last one thing here is how to revert all settings to the defaults, maybe filters. We can update them or remove them if we don't need them. For example, we can just delete the label, or we can delete the filter. See all settings, filters, and blocked addresses, and here's the list of all our filters. And we can, for example, edit or go back, or we can just delete the no reply at medium.com filter. Yeah, filter is deleted, and all new emails for here will not be shown under this label. And if we don't need the label, we can just remove the label. Yeah, delete, that's all our emails here on their places. So this was the first demo from our tutorials of how to improve your productivity in Google services, and see you on the next tutorials. Thank you all, and I hope these advices will be helpful for you and for your work and productivity. So have a nice day. Bye.